This was my mom's song with my dad. Yaswala. Shout out to my cousin Wayne the Wizard. Can dry yourself. When you're empty, I fill you up. And I just want to give a massive shout out to Leah.
You better like this video. You better like this video.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm in a little bit of a rush. Today, it's a Saturday. I woke up early, but I was expecting a sleep in just because I went to sleep really late last night. It was like 3 a.m. This time it wasn't TikTok live, guys. I was just trying to edit a video. I seriously was not tired. But I forced myself to go to sleep anyways because I knew I was going to feel like trash waking up the next day, and I kind of look it. I'm wearing my Shein dress that you guys would have seen before, also on my Instagram. But just keep in mind, next time you order with Shein, you can use my code VICORLEA to get 15% off. I'm going to be doing another Shein haul coming up soon. So make sure you're subscribed to my VICORLEA channel. Now, guys, I'm about to have a banana. I usually like to eat a banana in the morning, but anyways, I'm not talking about that. I'm going to head over, pick up my sister or my mum, head to the farmer's market, come back here. Like, it's just a lot of back and forth. That's why I usually don't like picking them up, because I'm not as close to them as I used to be. So, because I have to go all the way out, come all the way back in, then go all the way out to drop them, then come back home, like, you know what I mean? But they just like me to pick them up, so whatever.
It's nothing to do.
Guys, I'm with my mummy this morning. Hey, mummy. Hey, Siaosi Sos. We're going to the market. This was my mom's song with my dad. Yaswala. I'm just kidding, guys. We're about to head out now, so we'll see you. What is it, mum?
Yeah.
Ossie's gone with my dad to get more stuff for Samoa. Y'all know how it be. Guys, I just want to show you quickly. I've been chilling at my parents for a couple of hours. My dad's, I think these are gardenias or something like that. His garden is blooming. It's so beautiful. Look at these yellow. That's a pretty yellow color. He's got purple, pink, orange. The orange one is popping. This is his rose bush. So pretty. So pretty. So pretty. There's more over there. And then this massive orchid. I hope that this will do well in the sun.
Are you vlogging?
It looks like it's doing well, so.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah, I am. Don't touch it!
Guys, my mom has these flowers at home.
Does she?
Yeah, she has that one. I think she has those ones.
Oh, okay.
What up, a squish squad?
Yeah, and they chopped down the tree that was there. It was there as long as we've been in this house, so that's been like 20-something years.
No. There was a bird nest in that tree.
Oh, who cut it down?
Some choppers.
Oh, look at these ones. They're like little bells.
Little China bells.
Yeah. Bye. I'll see you later.
What about Aussie?
He got his own car. Aussie drove his own car because he was helping Dad. So I'm going to go home and clean up the house and meet him at home. I also really need to clean my car, so maybe that's what I can do when I go to the mall, is drop it off to the Star Car Wash there.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Chochi over here. I'm gonna cut my hair today, just because when we're on lockdown, I just cut my own hair. So yeah, so I'm gonna cut my hair today. It's Saturday. It's a beautiful day. It's not that sunny, but nice day, beautiful. So yeah, I'll show you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna do my haircut. See this mirror and the clips. So yeah, some clips over here. This one for the line, and this one, yeah, cut your hair. Yeah, I cut myself, my own hair. It's better to cut myself, cheaper. And you look nice on me. You can cut whatever you want to cut it. Meeny, miny, miny, morning light. Baby, can't but hear about the time. Oh, you'll be wine. Only already know the time, yeah. Only already know the time, yeah. Telling my love in the streets, telling my love in this world.
So I've just been chilling, trying to edit another video. Aussie just finished cutting his hair, had a shower, and I'm feeling a bit sleepy because it's been so long. He took so long, but we're gonna push through because I only had a few hours sleep last night. I went to sleep at 3 o'clock.
Go boy.
3 o'clock. Woke up at 7, so that's like 7 or 8. That's only like 4 hours sleep. That's about 4 to 5 hours sleep, and but I don't want to waste the day, so we're heading over to IKEA to go and pick up something for our new video. Guys, you have not seen us in front of here in a minute. It's been a long ass minute. These are some big ass doors. The only thing I hate about it is it's so long, guys. Such a long walk. These bags, I always see these bags in America on like American vlogs. I think I'll take one. Apparently these bags hold a lot. Is that your bed, Aussie? Ooh. Aussie, I don't think you're allowed to lie on there. Go, Vicky. Fancy, fancy. So fancy, Aussie. Hold on, guys. We're on a hunt to see these little, to find these little dart things. So they would be in the kids section. Look how nice that chair is. Oh my gosh, I love these little rug things. Oh, they're like little throws. Guys, we found what we came for. It's all the way over there, but couldn't be bothered showing you guys, so you guys can wait to see it in the new video.
It's beautiful. Yeah, you guys will see the new video coming up with your boy Choti over here and your girl Victoria over here. It's really hot, really hot, you know? This is so hot, baby. Let's go, let's go. Makua shalalala, that's what tatatarara. Makua tatatarara, that's oma. Shalalala, to turn of white.
Ew.
Mo dia kuskengere lang ava sava. Nga ako re ko kapenga ko abi ko tuli la ko ainga. Awange ko sawa ya uero. To 40 sava.
Shout out to my cousin Wayne the Wizard. Check out this track on SoundCloud. It's a vibe. Can dry yourself when you're empty. I fill you up. Guys, so this is not a mukbang. We might do a mukbang for these guys a bit later, like maybe tomorrow or something. They are the Brazil barbecue. So I just wanted to show you my food quickly. Depending on how I go today, I will decide whether this is worth an actual mukbang. This is their sampler kit. This actually cost $30, can you believe? $30 for this. So I got one for Molly, she's on her way. Bon appetit, guys. I also got this halloumi cheese. Ooh. Look at that. Halloumi cheese. Very tasty. Let me taste the barbecue now. It smells divine. So in this I've got chicken, lamb, and pork and beef. Oh, the chicken. It just doesn't, it sucks like there's no sauce. I wonder if we came earlier in the day whether that would have changed the taste. I think I'm already full. The tomato was really good. Good morning, guys, you guys. Morning, SV squad. Morning. So today I'm up bright and early at 9:30. I'm about to go pick up my sister or my mum to go to the farmer's market. And I would have loved to have gone earlier, but it is what it is. It is what it is. I was on live last night on TikTok with some lovely people, but yeah, I'm about to go to the farmer's market. Aussie's at work at the moment. I'm gonna go pick up my sister and we'll be on our way. There's my mum and dad. What are they doing? They're already up and early.
Where are you going?
Going farmer's market with Molly.
With who?
Molly.
I had you also thing. Go look at the Mesa. Pop Joe, you said what?
Yeah.
Capishi wo mo lo ko le ko fa ka mo mene ma lo le fa ka capishi
Oh.
me mo fambi ka ye ka mo container fo
Ifel.
ke le mo ro ko mo e sa va dia ku fe ko e ki no ko de ku ka ila ku mo ka ma ro piki apa apa mai pap Joe said what o lo capishi nga mo
Oh.
o ko mo hala is ko ke mingi ta mo
Yeah. Mom. If Molly's not ready, go. If Molly's not ready, go. Every time I come and pick up someone from my family, it's like a fight. They all want to come with me to the farmer's market. But seriously, huh? Oh, okay. You want to come too? Mom said, "La vali al pasio Molly." And look at me. I just got ready quickly because straight after. This is why I don't like coming to the farmer's market, right, guys? With them. Because I have to come all the way. My house is like 9 k's away. Come here. Then we go to the farmer's market, which is probably about 6 k's away. And it's closer to my house than it is to, you know what I mean? So I have to come here, go there, come back, drop them off, and then go all the way. I just said to them, meet me at the farmer's market. But if I don't come and pick them up, no one goes. No one goes to the farmer's market. I don't know what it is, guys. They just can't go without me.
Look at my bag that my man got for me.
Looks stupid.
It's Italian.
Whoa.
Yeah, look it up, baby girl. Anyway, I like it.
Yeah, whatever. How did you get it for you when the borders were closed?
It got mailed to me.
Oh, that was a little hint for you guys. Borders closed. You know, borders closed.
Hey, where's my glasses?
I don't know.
Mom said that she wants to come.
Yeah, tell her to come.
Mommy, come.
Molly.
Kill!
Gosh, Molly. You scared me. Oh my gosh, I wouldn't do it to Mum when she comes in. I'll just put it in the back seat. Vicky,
do not.
Nah.
Idiot.
I'll just put it in the back seat.
My skin breaking out or what? Mum, No, look at my Abaku may ho.
That's mask. Yeah, true.
Bobby, I can't go.
Why?
I'm meant to go and show this paint of the house.
What a beautiful day today, guys. Today is Sunday. My Lord say fua my Lord ung sa vayaso uma. Wai u vayaso ia u kako amakan nge vayaso. Mau le lo fam nang le ri. Ia le so. Ole a fa ye dis tato video. Tato new video. Le kau ke ki e aku ma ngai a beautiful day. Look. Sun is shining. Beautiful day. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Ole la ka ko ka waku ole fasa ko mukbang nga so yeah. Make sure you like this video. Press the like button down below. If you're new on this vlog, just make sure you subscribe me. If you have any question or some stuff you want to say, just comment down below and we can answer for you, you know. Lela laki ki e aku yo si iwa vai puras me mai pe fa pe mo wa mai ka mo ngalo taro au me sa mo o mo ya in mako piko fa de mo wai ka ma ha fa de mo wai me sa mo ha mau pe ha mo me sa mo ni fa sa ko mo pang me sa mo e ko ki ya or ke mi ka kala mo ko va de ka ko sa mo mo ko ai de su poesi mo ko ai fe ai de kero ba o ya ka mga mansam ya ngal makum e fa sang sa or sam so ya of taile lo fo mare nga le yo de tuwa ta to lia men ya so mata ho fi look at the snacky girl over here they see me fin taile ya tu yo tu divai la lo mai ta talo le li o ya le fo mai silia nei ma si fo mai silia ko sili la ba ya ale nei see me fin taile li. Say hi to the viewers. Oh.
Guys, so we're on our way now, as boss over here would have told you guys. We just spent the last like 15 minutes trying to order our food. We finally got it, so we're gonna walk over and wait and pick it up. Morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. So today's a Sunday. I'm gonna go and help my sister pick up a fridge because she's moving into her house. And I've been really hesitant to start a new vlog because I still have not edited the vlog from like 3 weeks ago. Doesn't matter. So I'm supposed to be staying in editing, but my sister wants me to come with because my cousins are going to be there as well. So I feel like something fresh. I'm going to have some blueberries. Full of antioxidants. Guys, I'm currently on TikTok live right now with some people. And I just want to give a massive shout out to Leah Laifatu, user 0000_577, JK240, Tracy, it's your girl, Belenim.
Show me just a dream.
Oh, can you take us for a ride to the mall? You guys just don't want to let me go, eh? Dev TP, Angel Lynn Maya, Kiara from Melbourne. Okay, guys, my arm is hurting now, so let me just put one of these down. Hi, Annie.